I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. Ever wish your prints could burst with color and symmetry like a kaleidoscope? Stick around. This gel print technique is about to transform your layers into something truly hypnotic. I will walk you through how to build layers, choose the right paint colors, and create magical effects, all with just a gel plate and a few simple tools. This stencil is called Fern Fronds by Rhonda Dona of PM Artist Studio. Today, in this video, we're going to layer, move, repeat, and explore color using only one stencil to develop a kaleidoscope effect. Let's get started. Fern Fronds by Rhonda Dona, and then Prussian Blue. As we finish spraying out this paint, we're going to remove the stencil. We're now going to add an Amsterdam pearlescent blue. This is not going to be used as an isolation coat. In this instance, I actually want that pearlescent color to be behind this paint color, as well as showing up in the areas between the stencil. Our next layer is going to be this Ara turquoise blue, and you can see that I've repositioned my stencil, Fern Fronds, over the top of this print, and I'm carefully layering that turquoise blue paint over the top. When I remove the paint, I do want to be kind of gentle because this stencil is a little fragile, and you can pop the ends pretty easily. Once I remove this stencil, you can see how those layers are intermingling and mixing to help form the beautiful layers that we're going to achieve with this print. Let's pull this with Quin Burnt Orange. That's going to be really pretty. Okay, we'll come back and pull that in just a minute. That burnt orange looks almost, absolutely red behind that blue. Very interesting. I love it. Looks a little psychedelic. And just like a kaleidoscope, every layer added a new twist, a new angle, and a bit of unexpected magic. If you enjoyed this layered journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own kaleidoscope creations in the comments. I'd love to see what you discover. Until next time, keep layering, keep exploring, and let your prints reflect the magic of your imagination. I will see you in my next video.